Add vehicles with tracking, capacity, and compliance setup. Fleet onboarding begins in the vehicles module, the strategic foundation for real-time asset tracking and comprehensive fleet monitoring. Establishing a digital twin for every asset ensures high-fidelity data integrity across the complex global supply chain logistics network. The vehicle profile captures essential identifiers required to differentiate specific assets within the active operational fleet management environment. Vehicle type categorizes assets to ensure appropriate load balancing and precise route assignments for maximum logistical operational efficiency. Plate number, vehicle group, and VIN establish legal identity, ownership records, and structured organizational classification for reporting. Vehicle make, model, and year of manufacturing track asset age, life cycle costs, and preventative maintenance scheduling requirements. Cargo type and weight capacity define haulage limits to prevent overloading and ensure strict safety and regulatory compliance standards. Volume capacity and purpose specify spatial constraints and the intended operational role of the individual vehicle within the fleet. Odometer reading and location set the baseline for automated maintenance schedules and real-time regional asset tracking and visibility. Transporter and primary driver details link personnel to assets for operational accountability and comprehensive driver performance and behavior analysis. Device manufacturer, model, and tracker ID facilitate the critical telemetry link between physical vehicle hardware and digital cloud systems. Fuel type, capacity, and average mileage enable precise consumption forecasting, budget management, and detailed fuel cost efficiency analysis. Uploading vehicle images and documents ensures regulatory compliance and provides visual verification during roadside safety and audit inspections. Centralizing asset data streamlines fleet management workflows and optimizes resource utilization across the entire scaled business enterprise architecture. Thank you for watching. Connect with us to see this in action.